How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Reddit history on iPhone and Android. So open up your Reddit app, and there's two types of histories that you might want to delete. The first one is your post history. So when you open up a post, that's going to go into your post history, but you also have a subreddit history. So I'll show you how to delete both of them. To delete your post history, tap on your profile icon in the top right, and then come down and press history, which should just be above the settings. So this is your post history, and to delete this you simply tap on the three dots in the top right and then clear the history. So to delete your recent subreddit history, you want to come over to the left hand side and press the three lines just beside the Reddit and tap on recently visited. You'll see all, tap that, and that'll open up a list of all your recently visited subreddits. So to delete that, you would simply press clear all, and that's how to delete your Reddit history on iPhone and Android. Thank you for watching.